Okay, so first of all, my girlfriend made me this magical fucking chicken. It's called, here, let me show you. Oh, oops, I'm wearing a robe, it's kind of revealing. Whoops. This chicken is called Magical, I hope you can see it, baked chicken with mozzarella and spinach. And this is a magical little potato and pea potato cake. I baked it in the oven with garlic butter and pepper. I'm going to eat it just like I eat the other half of it for lunch because it's delicious. Also, I'm not ashamed to say it, I just had 5 orgasms. Who else has just had 5 orgasms? Probably not very many of you, because most of you, as in people that are watching this video, are my mom. And mom, boy oh boy, if you're doing that, we should get to talking, because I bet we can swap secrets. But that chicken and those orgasms, and also that naughty video of Christoph Waltz being like the devil but reincarnated as Jesus, fingering some German woman in a bathtub. That video exists. Just type in Christoph Waltz as being very naughty. Those all accumulated into I want to sing this song. So I'm going to do it a cappella. I don't give a shit. It goes like this. I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But if you would only take the time, I know in my heart you'd find, oh, girls can sometimes who isn't really strong. Can't you see the heart in me? I feel so all alone. I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, baby, will you stay, or will you run away? Each day I play the role of someone always in control, but at night I come home and turn the key. There's nobody there except for this chicken. No one cares for me. Oh, what's the sense of fighting hard to find your dreams? Man, I want to eat this without someone to share them with. Tell me what that means. I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay? Oh, it's delicious. Or will you run away? Oh, I need you here. I need you here to wipe away my fears, to take away my tears. Oh, if you only knew how much I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, baby, will you stay, or will you run away? Ow! I need you here. I did that part already. Well, I guess that's the whole song. Fuck yes. Fuck yeah. This chicken. I wish I could give it to each one of you guys. There's a bone in here. That's some real chicken. My girlfriend don't fuck around. I think it's half of a wishbone. Fine. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go because this is a 5-minute video now. Bye.